in the question it is written that N dielectric are introduced in series in a capacitor of thickness D. Each dielectric have width d which is equals to d by n, and dielectric constant of mth dielectric is given by Km is equals to K under bracket 1 plus m by n. And then here is something given about n. N is very greater than 10 to the power 3, and the area of plates are given as A. Now the net capacitance is given by K epsilon naught A whole upon alpha dl n. To find the value of alpha. So let's see how we will find out this solution for this question. So in the question we can see that a figure is given to us. I hope it will be clear from the figure what question trying to say. Now coming back to the solution, x upon m which is equals to del upon n we know. So we can write d1 by c which is equals to dx upon k me epsilon naught a which is equals to dx whole upon k epsilon naught a h m by n. Now integrating both the side and having limit from 0 to d, what we will get ceq is equals to k epsilon naught a whole upon dl n 2. Here alpha value is equals to 1. So this is the solution for this question.